to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today I'm going to be sharing a sneak peek of this month's Spellbinders Clubs. So Spellbinders Clubs are monthly subscriptions, but like with a lot of these clubs, you can cancel at any time. So if you just wanted this month's, then you can cancel before the next payment comes out and you'll only receive the one. So the first one that I'm going to show you is this stamp and die set of the month. So it's a really cute kind of spring Easter feel stamp set, and you get the dies to cut out each of the images. So I'm going to turn it like this because my ring light's getting in the way a little bit, but you can see there's a couple of really cute bunnies, there's these little chicks, some flowers, and then you get things like step into spring, hello, sending spring smiles, warm Easter wishes, loads of cute little sentiments. And to give you some ideas of things you could make with these, we've got this cute little birthday card, we've got this sweet one here, and then we've got this cute Easter card here where I've used those flowers to go around him. So then the stitching die of the month is this absolutely beautiful set of frames. So you get the stitching ones, so you could use this to cut out a piece of paper and you could add the border around the piece of paper, or you can use them with these pierce dies and then it will cut out just the frame and you can have a proper frame. And then obviously, of course, you can use the pierce frames separately, and so you get two sizes of these, two sizes of the pierce frames, and then this really cute little tag as well. And you can see that it adds a really beautiful detail to your card. I've literally just framed a piece of pattern paper here because you don't really need to do a lot else with all that gorgeous embellishment around it. So then we've got the better press of the month. Obviously yours will come in the really nice packaging. Mine is just a sample, but you get this gorgeous pattern better press plate. You get 3 sentiments. You get thank you, may your days be as bright as spring flowers, and sending Easter blessings, and you get the dies to cut those out as well. And you also get this template so that you can add this on here. So say we use the green line as a guide, and then you can move it down, use the pink line as a guide and line it up again, and then you can bring it down, use the blue line as a guide, line it up again, and you can do a huge big panel. And as you'll know, if you follow my channel, I love using my better press machine, but I also love foiling with my better press plates because they give such a gorgeous finish. So for this card, I've foiled that pattern just onto a bit of really basic pattern paper to give a really lovely finish. So then the Glimmer of the Month club for this month is this beautiful leafy panel, and that comes with a die to cut along the bottom so that you could have that lifted off the paper if you wanted as well. And you've got all these sentiments. So you've got blossom into happiness this spring, enjoy the beauty of spring, spring smiles ahead, and happy Easter. And that comes with this beautiful purple foil. And I use that with some rose gold foil to create this really pretty happy birthday card. So then we come on to this wax seal of the month club, and you get this lovely wax seal. You also get these fern coloured wax beads, and I use those to create this, so you can see that's the colour the wax beads are. And I've just gone over it with a copper pen to bring out all that detail. It's really lovely detailed wax seal. So then this month's stencil of the month is a beautiful 5 stencil layering set that fills your card front, and it looks like this once it's been stenciled. It's really, really pretty. And then we've got this embossing folder which reminds me a bit of a basket weave, and you can see that in the background of this card. And then the 3D embossing folder this month is this kind of almost quilted bow embossing folder, and you can see that on here and you can see it on here as well. And while I've got those out, it's a good time to talk about the deluxe caboodle. So if you're liking a lot of the clubs this month, you might want to buy the deluxe caboodle. So the deluxe caboodle is all 10 of the clubs. So it's the 8 that I've shown you already, then it's the small die of the month, which is this one, and the large die of the month, which is this one. So you get all of that and a free gift for £120 if you buy it from the UK store, or $120 if you buy it from the US store. And that is less than the cost of the 5 most expensive clubs, so it is a really good way to do it if you're liking a lot of the clubs. But not only do you get all of the clubs, you also get a free gift, and the free gift is the die set to make this cute little chick. So it's just a small die set, but it's really, really sweet. And it's a really nice added extra if you are going for that deluxe caboodle this month. So I really hope that you enjoyed getting a sneak peek of this month's clubs, and also a sneak peek of some of the cards coming up over the next few weeks. So I'll have videos coming up to show you how to create most of those. If you don't follow me on all my social media channels, you can find me at Sarah Stampin' Retreat over on Instagram. Instagram is where you get to see more of the cards. So you see the cards that I show on here, but then also some that I don't make videos for. So I'll link my Instagram account in the description below if you want to go follow me over there. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite of this month's clubs. I'd love to know which it is. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've used for today's cards are listed in the description below, and there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.